This shows how to cook pasta that stays firm, never sticks, and completely eliminates bland, mushy noodles. To pull this off, we're relying on direct, step-by-step actions. No guesswork. We'll focus strictly on what to do, exactly why it matters, and the specific visual cues that prove you've nailed it. All right, let's look at the setup. Grab a large pot, water, and 200 grams, which is about 7 ounces of pasta. Fill the pot generously with water. The practical reason for this is simple. Pasta needs room to move freely, and that extra space physically prevents clumping right from the start. Now let's talk about heat. You have to bring the water to a rolling boil before adding anything. A weak boil just leads to sticking. Your visual cue to proceed is large, rapid bubbles, aggressively and continuously breaking the surface. Do not move forward until you see that. Stop right here before the pasta goes in because there are 2 critical mistakes to avoid. First, undersalting ensures your pasta tastes completely flat. Second, adding oil permanently coats the pasta and prevents your sauce from sticking. So your action right now is to salt the water heavily. It should taste like mild seawater. This is the one and only time your pasta actually absorbs seasoning. Okay, the first minute of agitation is absolutely crucial. Step 1, add your pasta. Step 2, stir it immediately using tongs or a spider strainer. Step 3, stir it again exactly at the 1-minute mark. You're doing this to physically separate the starch chains so they don't stick. The visible result confirming success is freely moving pasta in the pot. Fast forward to the late stage of boiling. Stop and scoop out exactly 1 cup of the pasta water before you do anything else. That starchy liquid is your crucial tool for thinning and emulsifying your sauce later on. Right before we check for doneness, heed this warning. Do not fully cook the pasta in the boiling water. If you do, it will overcook and become total mush the second it hits the hot pan with your sauce. So, let's slow down for the doneness check. We're looking for al dente. Pull out a single piece of pasta and cut it in half. Look for this specific visual cue, a firm texture with a tiny white dot visible right in the dead center. That white dot confirms it's ready to finish cooking in the sauce. The final mistake to avoid happens right at the sink. Never rinse your pasta after draining. Rinsing strips away the surface starch, meaning your sauce is just going to slide right off the noodles. Instead, your precise action is to simply drain the pasta using your tongs or spider strainer. Let's do a final verification. The surface retains its starchy, slightly rough texture. The center remains firm to the bite. It is not mushy. The pasta is perfectly prepped for the pan. So ask yourself, have you been washing all your flavor down the drain by rinsing off that crucial starch? Apply these exact steps next time, and you will never serve a bland, sticky bowl of pasta again.